Hi, this is Lee Clocky with another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today I have sent another product from a vendor for a collaboration, Xeriot. And this is a paid review. And today I'm kind of excited. This is a new type of heating pad for the lower back. And I'm kind of excited to look at this one. Let's unbox it and see what we got. We got a thank you from them. Instructions, always important. And here is the pad. And I want you to look at that very closely. Look at how thin that is. That's really sleek. So I've got a couple clips here. But just pan that over that. And then over here is the connection for the control box. All right, let's see what we got in here. Here we've got, which I might need, we'll see. It's a strap to make it longer, in case you're a bigger person. And USB charging cord, nice. And let's see, the control box. All right, so I just wanted to take a little bit of time just to show there's connections there. And then we're gonna install this here. This is the control box to the whole deal. And that just slides on there, very nice, and pops on, very nice. And you can see right here what happens when you turn it on. There's a little animation there, but it really should be on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. I'm gonna hold it, and so you can see the animation there, and it turns itself off. All right, so I've got the belt on, and I've got the heating area centered on my lower back, like so. Next thing we need to do is turn it on. So I'm gonna turn it on. It's about a 3-second push, and then you see your animation come on. Very cool. And so now it's heating. And it is heating, and if you press it, it'll go through this. So that's high gear, and it has 1.3 hours of power. And if I press it again, it'll go to 104 degrees. That is low gear, and I have 2.6 hours of power. If I press it again, I'll go to medium gear. It's 113 degrees, and it has 1.7 hours of power. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to go back to low gear. So I'm wearing this, and wow, I can feel the heat radiating through the lower part of my back. And I have lower back issues, so it feels really, really good. And I think I'm checking the temperature, and it's only up to like 98 degrees. And this thing will go up to 122. I can't even imagine what that'll feel like. But this is really nice. It's sleek. I can imagine if a person had back problems and wanted to wear this to work under a shirt. They say to wear it under a thin shirt, and then you can wear another shirt under it. I don't see where that would be a problem at all because it's so thin. So I say 2 thumbs up to the heating pad. Go out and get yourself one.